Welcome back to Origami videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this paper lily. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper. I'm using 15 by 15 and pen or something like this to roll up the petals. We'll start by folding our paper in half. And again, we'll fold it here on half. In next step, we'll also fold our paper on a diagonal line. And now we'll turn it around and fold it on this diagonal line. I'm making this because it will help me later, and now I will just hold it like this and bring the sides in because I want to have a blue side up for the lily. And just press it down really firmly, like this. Now I will take one part of it and I will open it. And press it down. And I will do the same with the other side. And I will turn it around and repeat the same steps on the last two sides. Like this. In the next step, I will bring one part of the paper, I will bring this line and fold it to this center middle line. Just like this. And I will also do the same with the other side. Like this. Now I will open them and I will lift this pocket up and fold them on the lines that we made. But I won't stop here, I will fold them over. Just like this. And now I will flip this part of the paper over like this, and I will repeat this step on all of the sides of the paper. Now that all of the sides are folded like this, you will take one part of the paper, I will just fold them directly in half, and you will, this part, pull it out and press this part of the paper in, like this, and fold it on the lines that we made. And you will repeat this step on all 4 sides. Once you have it, we'll just flip this part over so that we have a part of the paper that is all in one piece, and we will fold these bottom lines into the middle. And do this on all 4 sides. Now that we've made this, we'll take our pencil and we'll roll this point down as far as it goes, and then you will just hold it like this and slide it out. And repeat the steps on all of 4 whole sides. Just like this. And now adjust it. And this is how you make origami lily. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button and subscribe for more videos.